I'll be forced to arrest you. I have to take you to the station. The reason why I'm stopping you is you're riding your bicycle on a pedestrian pavement.
Under what?
Under the law.
Thank you.
You would want her to change. You would want what's best for her. The same way God is a loving Father. He wants what's best for you. He wants to
floor going up.
Resume. Just going to add this order for Michael H. Activities. Hello. I got pick up for Michael H. Thank you. Hello.
An order?
Yes, for Vicky.
Give me a quick second.
Okay.
For Vicky.
Thank you.
Thank you. This one.
You too. Thank you so much.
One eternity later.
Hello? Hi, it's Michael from DoorDash. Yeah, it's delivery. Yes, correct. Okay. See you.
offense for you riding your bicycle in it. So for me to give you a ticket, I need an ID. If you
I
don't
was
have an
just
ID,
getting
I'll
out
have to
from-
take you to the station for fingerprinting to prove your ID. Do
You have to
an
take
ID?
me to the station.
Because there is.
I was just getting out from the bike. I'm even recording here. I'm just getting out of the bike.
You saw
I'm
me, right?
leaving right here.
You saw me, right? You came from the corner there. You were on your bike, right?
Okay.
So I'm not lying, right? Because there are bicycle lanes there. This is for pedestrian. There's a ticket for that.
Okay.
Do you have your ID on
I
yourself?
don't know what they do. I just
So I need you to understand. At this point, without an ID, I have to take you to the station.
okay.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Under what?
I cannot identify you.
Okay.
I'm required to identify you,
Okay.
right? Under the law, for me to identify you, the only way I can prove your identity is to take you to the station. You are saying you don't have any ID on you.
Yeah, I don't have any idea.
You don't have an ID, okay. So before we are going to have to leave your thing here. Before I put you in my
I just
scout.
gonna put it there. I leave
Sorry?
right here. Just gonna put
Oh,
it
you
here.
live there? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you live there, so you should
Yeah.
have an ID, right?
That's why I was
So you
getting
can-
out from the bike. Come
Oh,
here.
if you
I
live
just
there,
live
okay.
here. I don't normally do this.
Okay. So can I see
Okay.
your ID, boss?